Remember Electron, that one framework that turns your to-do list into a RAM vacuum? Well, meet Tauri. It does what Electron does, but without setting your laptop on fire. Tauri lets you build desktop apps using WebTech, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but wraps it with a native Rust core. Electron ships an entire Chromium engine. Tauri? It uses the system WebView. You save memory, size, and your user's patience. You even get full access to the system, file I/O, notifications, clipboard, auto updates, all through safe Rust bindings. Your front end stays snappy, your back end is Rust fast, and your app doesn't feel like it's gaslighting your GPU. Oh, and security? Tauri is obsessed with CSP, no node access by default, sandboxed APIs. It's like app hardening on hard mode. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and can even bundle into AppImage or DMG, all with Tauri built. That's it. So, if you're tired of bloated apps that burn RAM like coal, Tauri is your lightweight savior wrapped in Rust. And that's Tauri in 60 seconds. Same tech stack, 10x smaller, 100 times cooler.